Drone technology in 2026 has transformed aerial creativity and precision. In this video, we reveal the top 3 best drones of 2026, highlighting innovation, camera excellence, and intelligent flight control. Stay with us till the end to discover which drone truly redefines performance for professionals, travelers, and passionate beginners alike. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video. Number 3. The hassle of complex drones. The HoverAir X1 Pro Max might be your perfect companion. This compact, self-flying camera is designed for effortless creativity, sports, and travel. Let's explore why this intelligent drone is winning attention among modern content creators. The HoverAir X1 Pro Max uses advanced tracking algorithms to follow you at speeds up to 15 miles per hour. Whether cycling, skating, or hiking, it stays locked on smoothly, acting like a personal cameraman that never misses the action. Weighing only 125 grams, this drone is lighter than most smartphones and requires no FAA registration. Its foldable design fits easily into pockets or backpacks, and palm takeoff makes flying incredibly simple for beginners and professionals alike. Pre-programmed flight paths such as follow, orbit, hover, and bird's eye enable hands-free shooting. Manual control adds flexibility, while each battery delivers around 11 minutes of creative flight time, focused entirely on capturing usable footage. Supporting up to 2.7K video and 1080p HDR, the HoverAir X1 Pro Max delivers crisp visuals. Triple stabilization ensures smooth footage even during fast movement, making it ideal for travel videos, sports shots, and outdoor adventures. The fully enclosed design with safety guards allows confident close-range flying. Built-in 32GB storage protects privacy, while the Hover X1 app enables live previews, manual control, and instant sharing to social platforms. The HoverAir X1 Pro Max is a smart, safe, and user-friendly flying camera perfect for vloggers, travelers, and everyday creators who want stunning footage without complexity. Number 2. The DJI Mini 4 Pro proves that powerful drone technology can come in a compact, travel-friendly design. Built for creators, travelers, and beginners alike, this lightweight drone combines advanced safety, cinematic video quality, and intelligent flight features for an effortless flying experience. Weighing under 249 grams, the DJI Mini 4 Pro requires no registration for recreational flying, making it ideal for travel. Its compact design fits easily into any bag, allowing pilots to enjoy spontaneous flights without paperwork, delays, or complicated setup wherever adventures take them. The Mini 4 Pro captures breathtaking vertical videos in 4K at 60 frames per second HDR. From sunrise to night scenes, footage remains sharp and vibrant, perfect for social media sharing without cropping or editing, delivering professional-looking visuals straight from the camera. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, this drone detects hazards from all directions, significantly improving flight safety. Beginners can fly confidently while experienced users enjoy reduced collision risks, even in complex environments, ensuring smoother flights and peace of mind during creative aerial exploration. Extended battery performance allows longer, uninterrupted flights, reducing battery anxiety during exploration. The 20-kilometer Full HD video transmission delivers stable, real-time visuals with minimal lag, letting pilots enjoy immersive aerial views while maintaining precise control at extended distances. Active Track 360 degrees enables customizable subject tracking, creating cinematic movements with minimal effort. Combined with optional goggles and motion controllers, the Mini 4 Pro offers an immersive FPV-style experience, making complex shots achievable even for beginners seeking dynamic footage. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a powerful, portable drone that blends safety, creativity, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for modern aerial storytellers. Number 1. The DJI Mini 5 Pro takes compact drones to the next level, combining professional-grade imaging with a lightweight, foldable design. Built for creators who want power without complexity, this drone delivers impressive video quality, intelligent tracking, and extended flight time in a palm-sized package. The DJI Mini 5 Pro features an ultralight foldable design that easily fits into a pocket or small bag. With built-in internal storage, you can fly without worrying about memory cards, making spontaneous travel shots and quick adventures easier than ever. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini 5 Pro records stunning 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. True vertical filming and a flexible gimbal allow creators to capture cinematic angles perfect for social media and professional storytelling. Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing combines LiDAR and vision sensors to detect obstacles in all directions. This enhances flight safety, especially during night flying, and automated return to home, helping pilots fly with greater confidence and precision. Active Track 360 degrees offers customizable tracking modes with improved stability and faster response. Whether cycling, walking, or filming dynamic movement, the drone keeps subjects smoothly centered while maintaining safe and intelligent flight behavior. With up to 52 minutes of flight time using the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the Mini 5 Pro reduces battery anxiety. Fast charging lets you power multiple batteries efficiently, maximizing your creative time in the air. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a compact yet powerful drone that delivers professional visuals, smart safety features, and long flight endurance, making it an excellent choice for modern creators.